Going under the awning one last time. And away we go. Brendan's in front of us this morning. Gonna go set the merch booth up again. And then I think we're gonna do a ride along this morning with Vaughn. Check out some more drifting. Stay till the last drift session. Probably pack up the merch booth, hang out for a little bit, collect ourselves, and then drive back home to New York. But we're not thinking about that right now. We're thinking about the last day here at Gridlife Midwest. It's the Sunday. Probably be a little bit calmer. Yeah, definitely not thinking about the 12-hour drive. Probably a little bit calmer today, but we're okay with that. So hopefully you guys buy some merch. Got the booth set up down there. We're all good. I'm gonna grab the red and grab some drift footage in like an hour. Actually, I think I'm gonna go in call with Vaughn. It was the last day of Gridlife here. Everyone seems to be a little bit calmer than they were the past day because everyone's probably hungover and kind of recovering from last night, because I can guarantee a lot of people went pretty hard last night, as you guys saw in the footage. So I'm gonna go probably chill at the booth for a second or two, and then see if I can go get some more footage for you guys.
Do you want a treat?
Me? I'll take one.
It's a sausage. You could probably eat it. Can you catch?
Oh, wow! Good job. Good job. Shout out to the airlift guys for letting us borrow their tie downs, their toe straps yesterday to keep our booth from flying over. That definitely saved it. We were able to keep it on the van. So shout out to airlift. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Solid. Look at that. Look at ooh. He's doing a little dance for us. He's got the Hex carbon fiber hood and fenders. So clean. Very nice.
What's good, Krispy Media?
Oh, hey, what's your Instagram? You got one?
ZStan_Z33.
Ooh, if you guys want to follow him, check out more of his car, peep him there. He's been posted up at the airlift booth. Got our first Gridlife ride along of the day. This time with Vaughn. We're gonna head out there and rip it. Gridlife event, you better make sure you get a ride along with Vaughn, because this motherfucker knows how to rip it. Vaughn, thank you so much. That was wild. That was wild.
You're very welcome.
With that lap with Vaughn, and now I'm gonna real quick stop inside. And what they're doing right now is going over, remember we did the beginner stuff with the Honda Fit, we did that beginner learning stuff. They're going over some of the other beginners and other drivers that were learning how to drive here. And what they do here at Gridlife is they're teaching people, looking at footage and teaching them how to better their line and better the track, better their driving. So I'm gonna go in real quick and show you guys Matt talking to one of the drivers and showing him what he did wrong, what he could fix, just to be a better driver, especially on this course. So I'm gonna show what they do here as they go through and talk to each other and talk it out.
Keep it up to maybe like 29, maybe 30.
The fronts, however, are around 27, 28, and going up to like 32,
32. Okay, so go up to 34 all
The
around.
thing is, the reason why I dropped it is because the tread rear line is like, in the rear is significant.
Yeah, you keep it very smooth. Like slight light small adjustments, right? And then you got it centered here. Right? Yeah, you see or not? You should see some other people. They're like,
They're whipping, like they're drifting.
Yeah, you're pushing. That's because it catches
Traction
compression.
control too, I got so fucking pissed there. So I talked to the guy with the 350Z, like,
We're watching the Gridlife Touring Cup race here. I think this is the second race now. No, it's the first race of this day. It's awesome. I mean, you guys see that go by, right? We'll see what happens.
33 cars.
33 cars, 20 minutes, short sprint race. We'll see who can finagle and get past everybody the fastest, right?
Right, crazy. Seeing them all come down the straight, like all together, like packed in a group like that was crazy.
Right.
It'll be cool to see them come by again. Let's try to get some shots for you guys on the red as they come by. We'll cut to those now. Last drift session of Gridlife. Last one of Gridlife to run. We're gonna go grab some fun. The last drift session. Hopefully things get a little rowdy. Oh, they're already getting rowdy. Hell yeah. This should be good. Everyone's gonna put their all into this last session. Here we go, Vaughn. And just like that, another Gridlife is in the books. Tent is all packed away, merchandise is all packed away, camera's all packed away, the red is broken down. Everyone else is leaving, getting packed up, getting ready to head out. They're doing a few more track sessions, but we're pretty much all done here at Gridlife Midwest. I think we're gonna go get some ice cream at the Benz from Gears and Gasoline, and then head on our 11.5-hour drive home. Hopefully it's quicker than that, I don't know. It's gonna be midday now that we're leaving. It's like 4:30 right now, so it'll be interesting. But Gridlife Midwest, again, was amazing. Everyone that came up and said was good is amazing. Everyone that picked up a piece of merch is amazing, or smiled for the camera, or yelled our name while running through the pits, or whatever. We just had a good time. But thank you guys so much. It was really, really always a pleasure, just like meeting new people and like having people scream my name as we go through crowds and shit like that. It's so cool. So thank you guys for that. And obviously thank you to Gridlife for bringing us out. Thanks for letting me do the beginner on-track stuff. Hopefully this isn't too windy. Thank you guys for letting me do the on-track stuff, learning how to drive a little bit on this course, the access to areas media gets, the breakfast this morning, which was solid, bringing us out here as well, letting us sell merch, just being awesome people and throwing in an amazing event. I recommend this event leaps and bounds. For everyone to come to and check out at least once when it comes to your city, or if it's in your city. They're doing Colorado and Atlanta next, Midwest always. They have smaller events throughout the year, but the festival ones are the ones you guys really gotta check out. Festival ones are the ones you guys really gotta check out. So again, if you guys want to check out more information, the Gridlife's information will be in the video description below. It's grid.life. That's the website. Gridlife on Instagram. I'll put it on the screen here. And yeah, shout out to Sebastian for helping. Shout out to Brandon for helping. Find you guys some good friends that are willing to help and travel with you to better each other, and then also be able to pay them, because that's awesome, which is because of you guys. So thank you guys for that. Cool. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, or maybe we're gonna go to ice cream and we'll film that. If not, we'll cut to that. If we don't go for ice cream, we'll see you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching these vlogs. You did great. You killed it out there today. Thank you so much again.
I always try my best, man.
You do your best. You only gotta try. Thank you again.
Oh my God, I'm not telling you.
We found the Benz at Sherman's. Just the recommended ice cream for. There's a sign there, but it's right in front of us, so you can't see it. But there's a sign there. We didn't, definitely didn't skip the line, but we might have given them money for us. Cheers. Ice cream.
I know, dude.
Looks pretty good. Cookies and cream.
Do a time check real quick. What are you about to do?
We're gonna go outside and pet that dog because it looks adorable. But we're gonna drive from Michigan to New York.
Aww. All right.
There's children.
Oh.
Get the
I
cookies.
was gonna zoom in on the time, but yeah, it's 5:43, I think.